Welcome back. I recently attended a private event where I had some thoughts as it pertains to Palantir, so I'll be sharing that in this video. So it was a forum in which an AI expert, she commented on the future, and so in this video I'm going to break it down and share what it means for Palantir. So Dr. Ruman Chowdhury, formerly Accenture AI and Twitter AI, I don't know if she was fired by Elon or in the transition to X, left the company, which is, a side note. I was very impressed with her dialogue on AI. She's very much focused on it, government policy and how it pertains to AI and being in all of these meetings and so forth. So I think she has a good idea and a good pulse on where things are going. So she basically was talking about how no one wants AI solutions that don't work, and obviously that's what Palantir is saying as well. That's what Karp keeps harping on. And so my big takeaway was her quote saying the next wave of AI systems is going to be agentic AI. So let's figure out, first of all, make sure we're having the same understanding of what agentic AI is. So it refers to AI systems designed to autonomously pursue complex goals and workflows with limited direct human supervision. Agentic AI exhibits autonomous decision-making, planning, and adaptive execution to complete multi-step processes. So this doesn't immediately sound like Palantir's AIP. However, I do think this is where Palantir's AIP is going. Critical capabilities of agentic AI include autonomy, reasoning, adaptable planning, language understanding, workflow optimization. And how is agentic AI different from traditional AI? Agentic AI leverages innovations like LLMs, scalable computing power, massive data sets to enable deep learning, and the ability to connect and integrate with other systems. So conventional AI is really programmed to augment specific repetitive or routine tasks, but it's narrow in the sense that it lacks the big picture understanding and judgment needed for complex workflows. So she was saying agentic AI starts to look more like this AI agent that does things for you. So in this article I was reading, agentic AI represents a seismic shift. So with it, and think about Palantir in this context, enterprise AI tools like AI copilots can leverage nuanced language understanding to interpret instructions more accurately while proactively moving between subtasks to complete workflows and make context-aware decisions, reacting intelligently as conditions change. This is to say that agentic architecture unlocks new frontiers of automation, efficiency, and optimized operations. Future is agentic AI. This is what I heard in her talk. This is also what I am seeing, learning more about how it is described, and I think Palantir is well positioned to push AIP in this direction, capitalize on it. As agentic AI proliferates, it will fundamentally reshape how enterprises operate. Leading organizations will assemble virtual workforces blending employees and AI copilots that interact via speech, images, and text to manage workflows, provide services, and execute transactions. So one final quote as I wrap this video up: agentic AI is going to be the big do or die moment for a lot of these AI systems, because unless we solve these problems and meet people's needs, ultimately is not going to be valuable. And most immediately, it doesn't seem like that's what Palantir's AIP is doing right this very second, but I think agentic AI is sort of what I'm thinking about where Palantir is going ultimately, and we always want to be one step ahead of where the market understands Palantir to be, and that means we need to understand where they're going. So I'd love to hear your thoughts on this theory that Palantir is going to be a real leader in agentic AI. In the comments, let me know your thoughts. Until next time.